Hi, welcome to Goldilocks Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video today, I'm going to talk all about our lace pony wigs. So, let's have a look at the lace pony wigs and how they're different from our normal lace top wigs. So I have one here, this colour is Giselle. It's our same beautiful human hair, and it has the same beautiful hand-tied lace top and lace front. The difference in the lace pony wigs is the back of the cap construction. So if we look inside, on our normal lace top wigs, these wefted backs are designed to be in straight lines and they lay flat down the back of the head. On the pony wig, they are sewn in a circular motion, so it's easier for you to pull it up into a higher ponytail. All of our lace wigs can be worn in a low to mid pony or bun, but it's a little bit trickier to get them up into that higher pony or bun. So with the circular motion, it makes it easier for you to be able to do that. High bun, high ponytail. They can also be worn out, they can also be worn in a lower mid pony as well. So the difference is the wefting in the back is sewn in a circular motion. So let's look at how we put on our human hair pony wig. So this one, Giselle, I'm going to show you what it looks like if it's worn out. So they can be worn up in a pony and they can also be worn as well out like you would with your normal lace top wigs. So easily pull this one on. I've tied my own hair up out of the way. You're going to pull it on just like our normal lace top wigs. Find the ear tabs and pull them into place. So as you can see, it looks really natural worn out. This one has been styled with a soft curl, and we washed this one and air dried it, so it sits really nicely when it's worn out. And now I'm going to show you one that we've also styled up, so you can see what it looks like up in its pony wig style. So this one here, you can see we have already styled, we brushed it back when it was wet and we styled it in a ponytail, and I'll show you how easy it is to put on. This is also Giselle, the colour, so I'm showing you the same colour and the same length, just styled in a ponytail. When it's styled up in a ponytail, another difference on these is, at the back here, it has extra hair sewn at the nape of the neck to go up into that ponytail to cover up the back of the cap at the nape. So just a few little extra things to make it look more natural when worn in a ponytail. They do fit a little bit snugger, so easy pull on. Make sure your own hair at the nape of the neck is out of the way if you have hair. This one is a new wig, so the lace is uncut. Once you own the wig, you'll cut that lace off. You need to pull the ear tabs into place, and I like to pull a little bit of baby hairs out around there as well for a really natural look around the ear. So now that it's on, I'll show you what the ponytail looks like. And at the nape of the neck, you can see those extra hairs going up and under, give a really natural look around the nape of the neck as well. This one is styled in a mid ponytail, but it can go into a higher ponytail as well. It has that same beautiful lace front, so it looks like the hair is growing out of the scalp. And that is one of our lace pony wigs from Goldilocks here. Really beautiful, really natural. Great option if you're someone who lives in a hot climate, you want hair off your neck. If you're going to an event and you want an updo, beautiful updo. Or if you're someone who doesn't have much hair and you miss wearing your hair and up styles. Really easy, really lightweight, breathable, beautiful. So I hope you found that video helpful and you love our lace pony wigs as much as we do. Don't forget we have a lot of other helpful videos on all of our lace top wigs and all of our human hair toppers as well. So go subscribe to our channel and check those out. If you are interested in these pony wigs, you can go to the website goldilocks.com and have a look at what we have there. So if you found this video helpful, you can also go and like. And if you do have questions, you can pop them below, or you can go to our website and book a consultation. They are free. We either have them in person at our city salon, or we also have them via video if you're international. So hope to see you on one of those soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.